Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to properly clean and maintain your Apexi exhaust system, especially the N1X and RSX with real titanium tips. These pointers also apply to other Apexi systems like World Sports, N1, Hybrid Evolution. They'll help keep your exhaust systems clean and preserve that beautiful finish over time. First, make sure your car is completely cool. You don't want to risk burning yourself or leaving water spots on a hot surface. Today, we've got the exhaust system off the car so you can see everything clearly. And we're just using regular auto detailers products, nothing fancy. Starting by rinsing off all the loose dirt and debris with clean water, then use regular car soap with a microfiber towel or body safe sponge to gently clean both the car and exhaust system. While you're at it, you can soap up the exhaust too. Just make sure to rinse off the soap right away before it dries up. Once clean, wipe it down with a dry microfiber towel. Water spots can dull polish or titanium surfaces quickly. For the final touch, use 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove any leftover oil without harming the titanium's heat-treated color. This can help bring back the nice titanium finish. And remember, stay away from metal polishers, harsh degreasers, or wheel cleaners, or any kind of harsh chemicals. They can ruin the true titanium finish permanently. That's it, quick and easy and effective.